Imagine a world where studying and earning money effortlessly intertwine. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't just about learning, it's about unlocking a lucrative stream of passive income through artificial intelligence. Welcome to the dawn of a new learning and passive income generation era. Are you excited about the idea of using AI flashcards to study smarter and potentially earn passive income? How do you think AI flashcards could benefit your learning process or online business ventures? Dive into the video to learn how can you make a good passive income using flashcards. Let's go. AI flashcards serve as digital cards containing information about various subjects like vocabulary, history, or mathematics. Their primary aim is to aid learners in memorizing and recalling facts, concepts, or skills. These digital tools prove beneficial for exam preparation, language learning, or enhancing knowledge in any given area. Flashcard.ai, driven by the advanced GPT-3, not only generates flashcards, but also possesses the prowess to respond to inquiries, summarize text, and fabricate quizzes. This functionality equips learners with a smart tutor-like experience that augments their comprehension and retention of information across various subjects. What's fascinating is that you don't have to manually create these flashcards. Flashcard.ai, an AI tool, automates their generation process. You simply input a topic, keyword, or question, and within seconds the AI generates a flashcard for you. Moreover, you have the freedom to edit, delete, or add more flashcards as per your preferences. Powered by OpenAI's GPT-3, Flashcard.ai stands as the most advanced language model globally. It's capable of producing natural and precise text across diverse topics, offering functions like answering queries, summarizing text, and even crafting quizzes. Essentially, it acts as an intelligent tutor, accessible at your convenience. Now let's see how will you create a flashcard. I am going to show you how to use ChatGPT to take ideas for flashcards. Here we can see that I've written, "Give me 10 niches for printable flashcards for kids." As you can see, it gave me 10 ideas for the same. Now I can choose one of the following to get my idea of flashcards. You can dive further into it until you get your specific idea for flashcards. Now go to Leonardo.ai or Flashcard.ai as they stand the best for you to generate your prompt. Now, let's explore how you can monetize AI flashcards. One approach involves creating and selling flashcard sets on platforms such as Gumroad, Etsy, Teachable, or Udemy. Selecting a high-demand niche like languages, coding, business, or health enables you to curate flashcard sets covering crucial aspects of that subject. Pricing your sets according to their value and quality and promoting them via social media, email marketing, or advertisements becomes key. Alternatively, establishing a subscription-based service or membership site presents another avenue. Here you provide access to a library of flashcard sets across various topics. Furthermore, offering customized flashcard sets based on subscriber requests enhances the service. Utilizing platforms like Patreon, Substack, or Podia allows you to set up subscription models, charging monthly or yearly fees. The third method involves developing a mobile or web app, facilitating flashcard creation, access, and utilization. Platforms like Glide, Adalo, or Bubble offer the means to build such apps without coding. Integrate in Flashcard.ai's API for flashcard generation. Monetization strategies may involve one-time fees, subscription models, or displaying advertisements within the app. Clearly, AI flashcards offer a remarkable opportunity to create and sell digital products that hold significant utility, value, and scalability. Leveraging AI capabilities enables the creation of top-tier content without extensive time or financial investment. Additionally, tapping into the expansive online education and e-learning market projected to reach $375 billion by 2026, presents vast potential for growth and success. To explore further details about AI flashcards and the utilization of flashcard.ai, feel free to visit the link provided in the description below. Additionally, you have the option to register for a complimentary trial and initiate the creation of your personalized flashcards today. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to Income Streams for additional advice, guides, and in-depth knowledge on leveraging AI for online income generation. Stay tuned for our upcoming video. As we conclude this journey into the realm of AI-driven learning and income streams, remember that the power lies in your hands. Don't miss out on future tips, tutorials, and insights on making money online with AI. Hit the like button if you found this valuable, and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive content. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, drop a comment below. Thank you.